Hey guys, I'm so delighted to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So let's jump right into the video. The first step is the oil cleanser. Shake the bottle well before you use because it has both oil and water and it has to mix before you start using. Massage it on your skin well. It lifts off any excess oil, makeup, dirt, etc. Next is the foam or water cleanser. It removes the rest of the dirt in the skin, goes deep into the skin and cleanses it. The scrub that I'm using does not have a lot of particles that scrubs, but it effectively removes all the dead skin cells. The next is a toner. It has a pump, so I'm pumping it into a cotton pad and tapping it gently on the skin. It tightens the pores, brightens the skin, and also makes the aging process slow. Now we're going to apply the essence. This is the heart of the K-beauty routine. This is a very important product. Next is a serum. So this is very concentrated and thick. So take very little, apply it all over your skin. It also helps reduce pigmentation and dark spots on the skin. Now comes my most favorite step, which is the sheet mask. So remove the sheet mask carefully, apply it on your skin and remove the wrinkles. Let it stay for about 15 minutes. After you remove your sheet mask, massage the excess onto your skin. Do not rinse it, let it get absorbed fully. Next is the eye serum. So this is usually applied underneath the eyes, but I also like to apply it under the eyebrows because we stretch that part so much when the eyebrows are done. Take a little bit of moisturizer and apply it all over the skin. Your skin is already well nourished, so you won't need much product. The last step of the K-beauty routine is a sunscreen. So this may look like a lot or very cakey, but when you massage it well, it will get absorbed into the skin. So hope you found this video useful and got a lot of doubts cleared regarding the K-beauty routine. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.